James Holder is suing his former roommate, Anita Blaine, in the amount of $1,200. He claims Ms. Blaine had his car repossessed. Ms. Blaine says Mr. Holder was behind on payments and is countersuing for the cost of a broken window she alleges the plaintiff broke in retaliation.
The matter of James Holder versus Anita Blaine. Mr. Holder, you're suing Ms. Blaine for $1,200 and you're countersuing him for $260.18. Repossessed car, broken window. What happened?
Well, basically she stole my car out of my driveway.
And you saw her take the car?
No, I didn't see her take the car, but I found out from an email that she sent me that she came and took it herself.
Okay. And how did you come in possession of this car, the car?
It was an old car of hers. We were living together at the time. She wanted a new car. She offered to sell it to me for $3,000.
I lent it to you first.
Hold on a second. So she sold you her old car?
That's right.
All right, and how much did you pay for it? Were you supposed to pay for it?
$3,000.
All right. And how long had you had it?
7, 8 months before she took it.
And were you paying on the monthly plan, or did you pay her all at once, the $3,000?
I only had enough money to pay her $800 up front, and we worked out a deal where I would pay her $100 every month for 2 years until it was all paid off. I had only paid $1,200.
And he stopped paying right away.
Okay, so you paid her a total of $1,200?
Yes.
So when you stopped paying, you woke up one morning and realized that your car was gone, right?
That's correct.
And you call that stealing by Ms. Blaine?
Well, the title is in my name, so technically it's my car.
Is that right?
It's my car.
It's my car.
Wait a minute. You sold him the car and put the title completely in his name before he finished paying for it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. I was doing
a dumb move. So you decided to repossess the car?
Yes.
You guys apparently were no longer living together?
No, he had moved out.
So were you upset that he moved out?
No, I was actually happy he moved out. He was, quite frankly,
you were getting
on my nerves.
Were you roommates or roommates with benefits?
We were roommates at first, and we had a few drinks, and
we
7 months later...
up one night, and we became kind of
roomies with benefits?
Roomies with benefits, yes.
And instead of sharing 2 rooms, you began to share 1 room. Is that the way it went down?
We would jump on each other's bed.
Okay. So you're back and forth. Okay. But at some point, from the friendship to the sharing bed and to a split, and he moved?
Yes.
Okay. So now, how are you feeling that he's moved after you've given him or sold him the car?
I'm relieved.
Why?
Because the man needs to grow up. Excuse me, boy.
Stop, Mr. Holder. Let her answer my question.
Thank you. He needs to learn how to grow up. I was trying to help him out, and he would just not pick himself together. We would go out on dates, and I was the one that would pay for our dates. If we go out on a trip, I would pay for gas. He just wants to wait on him. He just wasn't a man. But he just had the hots for me, I guess. And he got really jealous when I started seeing other guys.
Oh, so you started seeing other people too?
We both did.
Oh.
And that's when he started.
So both of you got a little jealous rage going on.
She got jealous, Your Honor. I only followed suit when
I was the one who started seeing people first. And that's when he started defaulting and stopped paying. That's when he moved out.
Okay, is that right?
Yeah, chronologically it's right,
That's what I'm
but not
asking.
for that reason.
So it just so happens, coincidentally, that after she began to see another person, that you decided that you stopped paying the note. Just a coincidence.
He would throw tantrums.
No, are you kidding me?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm dead
you're
serious.
throwing one right now.
I'm not throwing, I'm
You're
being
about
totally
to.
cool.
I can see
You know,
you're
you're
about
not
to
throwing
get into
tantrums,
it.
but you sound like 2 little kids. Are you kidding me? Yes, I am.
The cost of moving wiped me out.
Okay, the cost of moving wipes you out.
Everyone has bills.
First and last month's rent.
You have a great job where you make over $3,000 a month.
I work hard
So that's
for it.
hold on a second. So your defense is the cost of moving wiped me out, and therefore I chose no longer to pay the $100 a month. Is there a thing of asking for relief or suggesting to the person that you owe, acknowledging, I know I made a promise to pay you $100 a month, but things are a little tight right now. So can we rewrite this agreement, or even will you relieve me of it altogether? You never thought about that?
I tried, Your Honor, but she was unreasonable. You should see the text she was sending me, blaming me for her personal problems.
You ignored me completely.
I had to. I had to move on.
You had to?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh, you two are just really getting on my nerves.
Coming up,
So I parked the car and I find one morning that my window's broken and my CDs are missing. Why would anyone break into a car and steal mixed CDs?
Because
and
maybe my taste in music is amazing. I don't know, but...
So you're just admitting right now that you broke into it?
you're watching Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of James Holder, who is suing Anita Blaine for loss of property. She is countersuing for the same.
So I took the car back. We had a discussion. A week and a half later, I parked my car where I usually park in the neighborhood.
The same car that he was driving?
The same, well, my car, yes, the one I repossessed.
Well, we're going to decide whether it's his or yours in a minute.
So I parked the car and I find one morning that my window's broken and my CDs are missing. And these are not just any typical CDs. These are CDs that he made me, love songs. Why would anyone break into a car and steal mixed CDs?
Because
and
maybe my taste in music is amazing. I don't know, but...
So you're just admitting right now that you broke into it?
No, I'm not admitting anything.
He's
Honestly,
answering your question, why would anyone break into the car and steal the CDs that he made? And his answer is, maybe because my taste in music is so wonderful, which is another absurdity. But, bottom line, you don't know who broke the window.
I'm pretty sure it was him.
Did you see him?
I'm like 99%
Did you see him?
sure.
Did you have fingerprints done?
No,
Did anybody else see?
no.
So you just assume from the circumstances that it was him.
Well, don't you think it's kind of ironic that
I just
no
said
other
you
cars-
assume from the circumstances that it was him.
Yes.
Now I ask you, did you break the window
I
and
wish
steal
I
the
did.
CDs?
I wish I did, but no, I didn't.
Okay. But here's the issue. Once someone purchases a vehicle and you give title to that person, the vehicle no longer belongs to you. That's why when you go to a car lot, a car dealer, and you purchase a car, that's why they have two names on there. Their name, John Joe Dealership, and Mary Sue. That's why they have two names. Because with both names on there, you have possession, they have title. They own the car until you pay them off. And then you get a pink slip. You gave him the pink slip, put title in his name. So you've given him the car now, and he has possession. Title is his. But he still owes you for the debt. Don't shake your head, because you still owe her for the debt. You still owe her the
You
balance.
still do.
You still owe the balance. And the balance is, it was $3,000, you've paid $1,200. The balance is $1,800 that you still owe her for possession of that car. And we're going to subtract the $260 for the broken, no, it's your window. It's your car. Window broken, you broke it, it's your car. You owe her $1,800. Did you get the window repaired?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you're going to pay her the $260 back. So now you owe her $2,060. But you have possession of the car.
Yes, I do.
Now, here's what we're going to do for you, Mr. Holder. I'm not going to order her to return the car to you until you pay the money. But I'm going to order that you can't sell the car because it's not yours. Nor can you drive the car because it's in his name and you don't have insurance on the car in his name. And if you have an accident or something in the car, it's going to come back to him because the car is now in his name. So if you want the car, you pay her. Now, how can you pay her? How long do you need to pay this $2,060?
I don't know, Your Honor. I mean,
Do you want the car back?
Honestly, no. I want to be done
Okay,
with
fine.
it.
Sell the car. If you sell the car, he owes you $2,060. If you sell the car for $3,000, you have to pay him the difference. So you're only entitled to what he owes you. You understand?
I understand.
All right. Because he doesn't know when he's going to be able to pay you back. I'm not going to play that game of, I don't know, Your Honor, and I don't know when. You think I'm supposed to tell her to give you the car back, and you take your sweet little time of paying her or maybe not at all. I'm not playing that game with you. If you want to be responsible, you say to me, I ask you to give me some terms. You're going to give me another 4 months, give me another 6 months, and I'll pay her for it. But you're like, oh no, you have no intent to pay. But you think she's supposed to let you have it. Game over. Grow up. Now that's the order of the court.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff owes Ms. Blaine $2,260.18.
I won because I'm right. Like I'm always right.
Just admit it. You're crazy about me and you can't get over it.
In your dreams.
Coming up.
Mr. Shellicott ran up to one of the other volunteers on stage that was transformed into a goat and started just humping it, like with his pelvic thrust.